Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shiva Ayadure. Thank you so much for wanting to help us out by getting your signature on the nomination paper so we can get on the ballot. The process is really simple. What I'm showing you here, right here, is a copy of the nomination paper. There are two sides to it, the front side, which I'm showing here on the left side, and the back side on the right side here. It's really easy, 3 steps that I need you to do right now so we can get on the ballot and how you can help. By putting your signature and your address on the nomination paper in column 3 here, your signature in column 2 here, your address. But this is what you need to help us because it's about getting your signature to your town hall and then making sure your town hall then sends your certified signature to us in Cambridge, Massachusetts. Again, the goal is for you to fill out this nomination paper, send it to your town hall, and then the town hall, using an envelope you provide them, will then mail it to us here in Cambridge, Massachusetts. So what do we need to do? First of all, you need the following items to make this happen. Again, it's very easy. First of all, you need to get the nomination paper PDF. So if you simply click here, you'll get this downloaded to your computer. So you need to get this nomination paper. The second thing I need you to do is to simply go get 2 standard size envelopes. Again, these are your standard business size envelopes, a 4-inch by 9.5 inch, really long, and 9.5 inches long and 4.5 inches high. The next thing is, please just go to your post office or find someone who has 2 55-cent first class stamps, 2 of those stamps. And the last thing is, get 1 legal sheet of legal size 8.5 by 14 inch paper. This is, by the way, 8.5 inches by 14 inches, because what you need to do is you need to print this front and back side on the legal size paper. So let's start. Step 1, as I mentioned, you need to print and fill out the nomination paper. So basically, on the legal size 8.5 by 14 inch paper, print the nomination paper. You can use your own printer at home as long as you have the legal size paper front and back. If you can't print it at home and you don't have a printer, just walk it over to Staples. All the Staples we've talked to will accommodate you. You can simply email them the PDF, or you can take it with you and they will print it for you right there on the spot. Then, to fill it out, in column 1, 2, 3, you sign your name so it's legible, as I've done here, John Doe, and to the right of it, you put your street address and your zip code. So here's 1 Main Street, 02138 is the zip code. If you have sort of a doctor's signature like this, it's okay to do it, but please make sure you print within this vertical and horizontal space here the name, John Doe, and to the right of it again, print the street address and the zip code. The other part of filling out the form is every form is for a particular town. So at the bottom of this form where it says only registered voters of, like you see here, simply print your city. In this case, it's Cambridge. So again, just to summarize, you print the form out, you sign your signature, to the right of it, you print your street address as well as your zip code. That's it. Second step here is, again, very simple. Take one of the two legal size envelopes and put a 55-cent stamp on it and address the envelope to our office here in Cambridge, Shiva for Senate, 701 Concord Avenue, Cambridge, Massachusetts. And remember to place a stamp on this envelope, because this is the envelope that the town hall will use to mail it to us. Remember, the town hall, once they certify your signature, will use this envelope to mail your nomination form to us. That's step 2. And then finally, step 3, very easy, is now you're going to mail the nomination paper along with one of those envelopes inside the second envelope to the town hall. So what do you do there? You put a 55-cent stamp on the second legal size envelope, then place the nomination paper. You can fold it if you need to. And the first envelope, again, you can fold that, which was addressed to Shiva for Senate, into the second envelope. Again, into the second envelope will be 2 items, the nomination paper and the first envelope addressed to Shiva for Senate. Make sure, again, this has a stamp on it. And now you address this second envelope to your town hall. And to find the address of the town hall, it's very easy. You just go right here and you go over into Cambridge here, right over here. There's a little notification I got, and you find Cambridge, and you address that second envelope to Election Commission, 51 Inman Street, first floor, Cambridge, Massachusetts, 02139. That's it. So that's essentially step 3. So you put a 55-cent stamp on the second envelope, place the nomination paper, your first envelope, again, you can fold this and address it to the town hall that you can find below. And when you're done, just to let us know, you can just send a text message to this text message, to this number, 617-209-6364, so our volunteers know that you actually sent it in. And when you send the text message, just put mailed in and put your first name and your last name, John Doe, for example, and your name of your town and city. Let's say it's Cambridge. That's it. Anyway, thank you, everyone, and look forward to working with you. Be well. Thank you again for all your support.